Alright, so here we have an example. It says a candy store owner pays 8 cents for each stick of bubble gum. He sells each stick for 10 cents. If he made $15 last month on bubble gum, how many sticks of gum did he sell? Okay, well, the amount he makes, okay, so he sells them for 8 cents, but he has to pay 10 cents for them. Okay, so let's find out how much he's going to actually make on one stick of gum. Okay, so he sells them for 10 cents a piece, but he had to pay 8 cents just to get them. So we're going to take our 1 cent, or excuse me, 10 cents minus 8 cents is 2 cents. So he makes 2 cents for every stick of gum. Well, how many would he have to sell to get 15? To find out how much he makes, we would take the 2 cents times the number that he sells. Okay? In this case, they told us that he ended up making $15. So here we want to find out how many he sold. To solve this, remember we use our rules of algebra. It's times 0.02, so to get it by itself we do the opposite of multiplying by 0.02, which is to divide by 0.02. Okay, so we know that he sold 15 divided by 0.02, or 750 sticks of gum. Alright, here's Oliver. Oliver is a landscaper. In 2010, the price of a 5-gallon flowering lantana bush was $4.55. In 2011, it was $5. At the beginning of 2012, the price was listed at $5.55. What's a reasonable estimate for the cost of a $5 lantana in 2013? So we're assuming, notice the price is going up each time. It started at $4.55, it went up to $5. From there it went up to $5.55. Okay, we notice it's going up each time. There's a little bit of a pattern. Okay, so it goes from $4.55 to $5, and from that to $5.55. Now our change isn't constant, which is why they ask us for a reasonable estimate. If it follows this same pattern, notice it went from $4.55 to $5, and then up to $5.55. We would probably expect it to jump somewhere around $6. A reasonable estimate would probably be anywhere between $5.95 and like $6.10. But we would expect it to be somewhere around $6, so just making a reasonable jump. We wouldn't expect it to jump up to $8 or $10, and we wouldn't expect it to drop down lower than it is right now. So with a reasonable estimate, there's probably more than one correct answer here, but you would want one that is close to the pattern that you've seen in the past.